And Rochelle, you've been tracking Hurricane Henri for a while. What is the latest?
So right now, Henri is still a low-end Category 1 hurricane. It's our third hurricane so far this season. Not the strongest, but it is moving in some warm water. So we'll keep an eye on it. There is the potential for some weakening before landfall. So taking a look at some of those current conditions for Henri, we are going to be talking about, again, a low-end Category 1 hurricane as it's moving to the north. Taking a look here, this is the 5 p.m. advisory. It's about 240 miles away from Cape Hatteras. So the reason that we have maybe some choppy surf, a little bit more rough surf, is because this system currently is moving just a few hundred miles away from the Virginia and North Carolina coastline. So we're keeping an eye on the system, but it's moving quickly, 18 miles an hour. So it's not slow moving here, but it could potentially slow down as it moves towards parts of Long Island and then also into parts of New England as well. So gusts up to 90 miles an hour. Right now, it's about 330 miles south of Montauk Point in New York. Looking at the track, pausing it, I mentioned it's moving into potentially cooler waters. That does not work in Henri's favor for sustaining those hurricane strength winds. So right now, 2 p.m. Sunday, the forecast is that it will have 70-mile-an-hour winds as it moves inland. Of course, we know that those systems do weaken over land, but you see it's not really moving too much as we look towards Monday 2 a.m. to Monday 2 p.m. So we could be talking about hours, half of a day of tropical rainfall in parts of southern New England. So here's another look at that satellite and radar image of Henri. Here's us in coastal Virginia and North Carolina. Again, just about 200 or so miles from that system. Bringing it, centering us here, you do see those clouds and those couple of showers that we have, and taking the satellite picture off. Again, we have this one storm down into parts of Chowan County moving across the Albemarle. That's the only thing we're watching right now. We did have a flood advisory that expired at 5:15 this afternoon. So by 7 o'clock, isolated showers are possible. You can see Henri on the top right of your screen moving out of the frame. We keep that chance for an isolated shower storm into the evening. Few clouds, maybe some fog developing by early tomorrow morning. Sky view taking you over to Hampton. As mentioned a little bit earlier in the show, we have the clouds, yes, but we also do have the blue skies out there as well. So pretty nice afternoon. It is warm. It is humid. Feels like 90 in Surrey and also in Smithfield. Feels like 84 in Manteo. Feels like 86 in Portsmouth, but it feels like 91 in Hampton. Feels like 90 in Virginia Beach, and it almost feels like 90 right now in Williamsburg. The next 12 hours or so, you do see mainly clear skies, maybe a few clouds, and again, keeping low-end chances for showers or storms in the forecast. For tonight, temperatures will drop down into the upper 60s to lower 70s across Southside Hampton roads. 70 in Urbana, 72 Matthews, and also into Hampton. 71 in Melvin. You do see those couple of rain icons out there. Again, very low risk for a shower for tonight. 71 in Hertford, 75 for KDH and also for Manteo for tonight. Do want to let you know that the full moon is tonight. It'll rise in the southeast sky at 8 p.m. and set in the southwest right around 6 o'clock in the morning. And this month's full moon is called the sturgeon moon, and that is because of the sturgeon fish, the lake sturgeon, America's largest fish. Tomorrow around 88 for Norfolk, 89 in Hampton, 91 in Williamsburg. Timing out things tomorrow on Futurecast. Once again, we do keep the chance for a couple of showers, couple of storms in the forecast. Not a widespread washout event by any means for tomorrow, but just know you could have a couple of showers impacting some of your plants. By Monday, once again, warm and humid with that low-end chance for a shower or storm. And Futurecast rainfall, upwards of an inch or so is possible. Tracking the tropics, we do have another tropical wave, but thankfully, this one only has a low chance of development. 7-day forecast, everybody. Temperatures back into the upper 80s to low 90s this week, so I hope you enjoyed a little bit of that break. Low-end rain chances in the forecast Monday through the end of the week, but again, hot and humid, so we'll be talking heat indices once again.